Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my Lego candy machine. So here it is. You can look at it. This is the back. This is the side. This is the front. This is how it looks from the top. Okay, so this candy machine I just wanted to build yesterday. I'm going to show you today how it works. So let's get right into it. So you need a key to operate it. Right here. This is the key. I'm just gonna make it a bit brighter so you can see the key right there. That's the key. And you put the key in this hole right here. So right there between this little piece, you put the key in right in there. And you want to turn it to the middle for now. And you want to go up here. You want to start the battery box like that. As you can see the green light. And you want to turn this switch and you'll see the light. A light right there. It's just coming out of those two holes right there. I'm going to just make it a bit darker so I can see it better. Just there. I won't leave that on. That means that the machine is working when you have people coming. And that's that. So you can pull it out of that hole. This. And you want to push it into this hole. Right beside the gray piece on the other side. Look at that. And you want to turn it that way. Pull it out. Like that. The key is broke. Just gonna fix it. Sometimes it breaks right there. That's the key. We're finished with that now. Now you're gonna need your remote controls. Right here. Too big. There we go. These are your remote controls. You only need one because this is a one-parent receiver, but I made it for two, and this is how I'm going to keep it. Because if I want to add anything else in the future, it's going to be okay. So if you turn this wheel right here, it'll start dispensing candy. So that'll turn on. Backwards. Forwards, and you can see candy's coming out. That's all the candy. I don't have a lot, but it can store a lot of candy. So now what you want to do is open this top lid here like this. I want to fill it up this, so it's very easy to refill, and it's just a belt there that pushes it forward. You can have a lot and it'll still work. So then here's the lid. So push it back on there. Okay, look at that. And then when you're finished with the machine, just press the button like that. Now I'm going to show you what's inside. Apologies for this. Reset. Yes. You can see it better. Maybe work. Yeah, that'll do. So we can take this off, and as you can see, there's one switch. So if we get our key in here, just push it in. Yep. Like that. Now, if we twist it. As you can see, twist is in there, and there's some lights right there. So if I turn on the machine again, I pull out the key and I put it in the other one. See the lights go in there like that. That's the other switch. Now I'll show you the other side. So I'm just going to take this off. The other pieces here. I just flew right over there. Yep. Okay. There's another piece. And that's all the wires that it takes to make a little tiny candy machine. I'll show you right there. There's 2 IR receivers with 1 connection. That will go to this switch right here. It's actually this one. So this one will go into that switch, and these will go to the motor and the set of lights right there that will be activated when you turn on the machine. So I'm just gonna switch that. As you can see, you can hear the motor like that, and that's how you know that candy's coming out. So that's the switches, and the power goes into that one, and then that's the switch that will regulate the lights there. That's why they're at full brightness, and that one will go in there. But if you didn't know already, in a trick video that is on YouTube, if you plug a switch into a battery box and you connect an IR receiver, it's still going to get powered even if the switch is off or on. So that's maybe another video that I'll talk about. And that's all the management holes for all the cables, just like that. And that's the whole thing. It's pretty simple just to reload the machine. Like this. Just open the lid, put all the stuff in there, whatever candy you want. You can close it up. If you want bigger candy, you can make this hole bigger, and you can get another conveyor belt. But it's okay for me because I don't have any other belts. So I'm gonna give you another tour around. I'm just gonna move all this out of the way. Yeah. That's it. Zoom in. There's the receivers. Turn them on and off. The switch over here. So that. Let's see. It's off right now. And it's on right here. And this still gets power even if the lights are off. Turn this on. It will still be on. Oops, this little light fell off in there. That. And that's basically the whole machine. This is the motor right here, and this is the whole machine. So if you like this video, please like. If you want to watch more, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.